Pyar to Pyar Lo is a nice line. It's up to you how you take it. For me, it's a very harmless and very nice line. The film deals in a comic way, but also it is emotional. So the balance of emotion and comedy is there. I loved working with everybody, whoever was there in our unit.
इसे breathing problem है, इसलिए मैं oxygen दे रहा था. ची.
I'm doing 2 Hollywood films, one Spider-Man and one with Ang Lee. It's The Life of Pi. It's not only extramarital affair, it's also a social drama. It also has emotions. It explores further things. It explores, different aspects of life, and it's an entertaining film, and it has all the ingredients which our public wants. And after a long time, a big film is coming, and film is made to entertain people.
नमस्ते किंग जी।
ये लड़कियां कौन है?
गर्लफ्रेंड है हमारी।
लेकिन कौन सी किसकी है?
25 से नीचे की दिख रही है ना आपको? वो सब इनकी है, बाकी सब मेरी हैं।
Yeah, we work together, and I'm supposed to be the head of the company, and he considers me a kind of guru as far as extramarital affair things is concerned. So he takes my advice, and I keep misguided. I guide him and misguide him. In my view, I'm guiding him. But sometimes, my guidance is basically a misguidance. So that creates confusion, that creates a kind of, upheaval in his life, in my life as well.
तुम क्या चाहते हो कि कंपनी बंद हो जाए?
क्या किया है मैंने?
पर्दे बंद करना याद रहा, कैमरा बंद करना याद नहीं रहा?
आगे दिखाओ ना भाई, थोड़ा सा.
Excellent. We had a great time in Vancouver and Toronto, and I worked with him after a long time, and he had a great spirit, and he used to sometimes, we were doing a scene which was a action scene, but it was a comical action scene. So he was a great help, to give. He always used to come up with suggestions which were so great, and I used to follow them. And I like him as a human being. I like him as an actor. I like him his attitude towards his health, which is very, very inspiring. And I loved working with everybody, whoever was there in our unit. Yeah, it's a like combination. He's one side, he's trying to create his own clout, and he's trying to impress people, or take control of people's life. And on the other side, I'm trying to control people and trying to take control of their lives. So it's a conflict between them, and it's a combination of his way of humorous way, and my comic timing, or my way of doing humor. So it's a combination. It's not in conflict.
किन हराम खोरों से पाला पड़ गया मेरा? कोई बात नहीं, पता लगा के रहूंगा. इसे breathing problem है, इसलिए मैं oxygen दे रहा था. ची.
मेरा मतलब पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा.
ची.
When you realize certain things, when you realize certain aspects in your life, and you put life into a right path, then you say thank you to yourself and to the source which has put you in that path. And we want to say thank you to people who will make our film hit.
ओए, मैं कृष्णा हूँ, ये मेरा सच्चा प्यार है. कृष्णा, इधर आओ. ये लो अपनी राधा. आ गया तुम्हारा कृष्णा, आ गया.
Pyar to Pyar Lo is a nice line. It's up to you how you take it. For me, it's a very harmless and very nice line. It's about, giving and taking. And that's what the life is all about. It can't be just taking and taking, you know. It's an exchange, and that's always good. I would like to tell them that, please don't take my tips. They will, it will not be good for them. I'm there in the film giving tips to Bobby, and it's a character, who's doing it. But personally, I would like to say that, don't take my character seriously in the film. I haven't taken it seriously. It's I'm just doing a character, and I don't believe what I'm doing in the film. I don't believe in that character's philosophy or his approach to life. It's just a character.
हम तो प्यार लो करने वाले लोग हैं सर, हम दुश्मन नहीं हैं.
Fantastic, good locations, good co-actors, everybody, excellent director, Anees Bhai, and I loved working with him, and I would like to work again and again with him because he commands the unit, he is in command. He respects the story, and he does film for the story, not for any star, not for any actor, not for any other thing, any other consideration. For him, main thing is the story, and that's what I like about it. Very, very important, because after a long time, it's a big film is coming, and people are, like in our country, audience wants to go to theatre every week, and we have very limited source of entertainment, and film is the main source of entertainment, and people are waiting to see good film. And I'm pretty sure, and I'm hopeful, and I wish everybody comes and watch this film. Yeah, I think it's a very good time, excellent time, and people have seen World Cup, and now they want to go to theatre, and IPL will take time to gain the momentum. So till then, our work will be done. I basically go for the stories which I like to do. I have never worked in a manner where I think that I have to do 10 films a year, or I should take whatever comes in my way. 90% of the work which comes to me, I don't take. I just take things which regenerates me, which gives me a different, which takes me ahead in whatever manner, maybe creatively, or maybe position-wise, or maybe some film could make me more viable as an actor. So I keep looking for things which takes me ahead. I'm doing 2 Hollywood films, one Spider-Man and one with Ang Lee. It's The Life of Pi. The best thing about being in film business is that they are very, very similar. An actor can communicate to any actor in the world, even if he doesn't know the language. They know what they all are about. And same way with the director, so there is a kind of language which is not spoken, and still you can communicate. You know what you are all about. And working atmosphere is different. Working method is different. So that difference is there in our working culture and their working culture. It's not limited only to films. It is the way we live our life and the way we conduct our work. I want Dhoni to win. I'm really I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I want to see India and Pakistan semi-final. Then I want to see India winning the final. This is the best time, and it's the best team. And everybody, I wish everybody in our team, in our country, that they should win and they should lift the World Cup. And I want that fortune teller to be proved wrong. Let's see.
ऑरेंज हो जाए तो प्यार दो